your time.
Thank you.
And the Tamil Nadu defense corridor is very popular among because there's so many defense and industries are taking the help of corridor of the Tamil Nadu defense corridor because of the skilled workers and ancillary units, the supply chain industry in Tamil Nadu. So can you tell us more why people should come to Tamil Nadu defense corridor?
Yeah. In fact, Government of India, in order to pursue the self-reliance path, they have taken a number of steps. One among these announcement of defense corridor, and Tamil Nadu is one of the two defense corridor announced. And Tamil Nadu, after the announcement of corridor, we have decided Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, which is the nodal agency to promote the defense corridor. And TIDCO, the Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, we have identified the capability analysis across the 5 nodes of the defense corridor. In fact, why Tamil Nadu, if you ask, Tamil Nadu is having the largest number of industries, largest number of skilled forces, greatest advantage of infrastructure and accessibility in all 3 fronts, sea, waterways, airways, roadways, very robust industrial ecosystem prevailing here. And after carrying out the capability analysis across all the nodes, so what is required in terms of each node to strengthen their capabilities, what kind of common facility centers to be created and what kind of center of excellences to be created. So all the interventions required we have taken as steps. Regarding center of excellence, for instance, we are partnering with GE and Dassault System, Siemens, German company. So all the international players who will set up, apart from setting up of COE, it will nurture MSME, startup, large-scale industry to address their requirement in terms of their prototype development or for re-engineering or even for their common manufacturing facilities. So it is the kind of unique support from government of Tamil Nadu it is coming out. And in addition to that, we are also identified various thematic parks for UAS or for MRO, even space. So we have identified different subsector, and each subsector what kind of space, land required for MSMEs and then even foreign players who can come and set up their facilities, and what kind of common facility center. And we also promote cluster. For example, Trichy, one of the node, we have a cluster formed by industry consortia with the support of Government of Tamil Nadu and Government of India. So we help them to identify the orders and then support them in all the way they will excel. So in addition, we are setting up of the meeting between OEMs and then MSME, and in the process both upward, that MSMEs they will move in the value chain upward, and we also set up the collaborating with the foreign OEM, so to promote joint venture, strategic partnership. In fact, you talk about strategic partnership, TIDCO itself, our model is to infuse equity with the robust companies, see that both investment as well as industrial promotion takes place. And barring this, we have Aerospace and Defense Policy 2019. Now it is under revision. Our cabinet has approved, which is going to come up shortly with a lot of sweetener to target each segment, each player in aerospace and defense. For instance, we are coming out with the policy to support the startup, those who have won IDEX challenge and TDF challenges. We will infuse equity. In IDEX Prime, the Government of India is investing up to 10 crore, and we will also invest equal amount to that. And in addition, grant, also through other fund, we are going to address the A&D startups. Only thing they require to set up in Tamil Nadu. So these are the few steps we thought we will highlight here.
And what about the land and facilities for
So I was
investors?
yes. In fact, we have different bodies, specialist bodies created with the mandate. There is a body called SIPCOT, Small Industrial Corporation of Tamil Nadu, whose mandate is to create a land bank for industrial development. So far, they have created 35,000 acres of land to create a industrial park along with state-of-the-art facilities. Now, their mandate is to create another 10,000 acres of land for overall industry. And we, TIDCO, we carve out a parcel of land from SIPCOT and then to promote scheme-based aerospace and defense development. Be it UAS, it will be separate park where a complementary facilities available there. In addition to this, in fact, in those parks, we will be setting up that testing facilities required under MOD, the defense testing infrastructure. They have granted setting up of the facility for, in fact, for drones and for electronic warfare, electronic optics, in fact, EMIMC, communication and mechanical facility. So each node, what kind of testing, what kind of common facility center, and what kind of support in terms of their certification required. And we have array of investment support in terms of incentives, those units who are setting up in Tamil Nadu.
In the present situation, aerospace and defense related companies, how many, what numbers are there in the corridor?
In fact, so far, we could target, have the mobile investment of about 12,000 crore, out of which the committed investment of 12,000 crore, out of which about 3,500 crores are already come to the system, and remaining are, A&D, the investment, it takes a greater period for turning into investment. So, and number of measures have been taken both by Government of India and Tamil Nadu to facilitate the industries to come in, and we hope, and we have set the target also, and we hope we will be able to meet the target so that the Atmanirbhar vision of Government of India will fulfill, as well as 1 trillion economy vision of our Government Tamil Nadu will fulfill.
And how has been the DefExpo participation of your corridor here?
Yes, in fact, we have set up the pavilion in DefExpo, leading more than about 20 industries. That is regarding our pavilion. And under IDEX, a lot of startups in Tamil Nadu, they have participated in the IDEX platform. And today we conducted a seminar, the hotspot of Tamil Nadu. In fact, we identified space as one of the main focus sector where we will be able to leverage the short satellite launching facility being set up by ISRO in southern part of Tamil Nadu. In fact, in the globe, those space airports, space ports which is adjacent to or near to equator, they will have the advantages of best spaceport in the world. After French Guiana, the Kulsegarapattinam, that is in Tuticorin district, southern district of Tamil Nadu, where this facility is set up, we have almost given 90% of land, and that will, we want to leverage the facility. We want to create a industrial park adjacent to that. We will create a common facility center there to manufacture both satellite and launching vehicles. In addition to that, we will map out the existing industries so that the space economy, our Government of India target of 2% to 10% share, we will be able to support to realize the vision.
Finally, what is the message you want to say to the industry from this venue of DefExpo here?
Any industry to pursue their business objective, they look for right ecosystem. If at all, if you consider right ecosystem, here is the place where we are here, TIDCO, we are here to facilitate. Please look for Tamil Nadu. That is the message.
Pleasure.
Yes.